Thanks for watching. Today we are working on the master bathroom, and what I'm showing you is one half of a mirror that we already did some accenting to. So that's the whole mirror right there. It's pretty big. So yeah, we wanted to do something to it. Right now it looks kind of bare on one side because we haven't put the other side up. But we're going to do that right now and show you how we do it. Right, Avery?
Yeah.
So I took my rhinestone wrap and cut it into 6 5-inch pieces. I took one piece of the rhinestone wrap and put E6000 glue on the back of it, and then I attached it to my mirror. Next I'll use 5-inch mirror coasters and I'll attach them to my mirror with E6000 and a glue gun. So here's our 5-inch mirror coaster. We got some E6000 on it already. After adding glue with my glue gun, I'll repeat this step one more time, and then I'm ready to add my rhinestone wrap. At this point I'm going to add 3 more mirror coasters, and as you see, after I add each coaster I apply a piece of masking tape just to ensure the extra hold I need overnight. I let this dry for 24 hours before I take the masking tape off. One more mirror coaster before we add another piece of rhinestone wrap. And 2 more mirrors. How's it looking, Avery?
Good.
Here is our last and final mirror coaster. Okay, so we've got our last piece of glass on, and we're going to put our last piece of rhinestone wrap on the bottom. Let it dry 24 hours before you take the masking tape off if you do anything like this. So that is what it looks like after I'm done. And if you go over to this side, you'll see what it looks like. So that is it, guys. That is how we did this look, and we will leave all the materials in the description box that we used. If you do go to Dollar Tree and they don't have the mirror coasters in stock, this is a box of 12 I picked up from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. It is a great substitute. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.